Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to import and export or migrate some files and show you what is the difference between all of this. So to import a project, it means that you want to import, so include a new file into a project. You can just click in imports, as you can see in here, or just can right click import. I'm just gonna click here, imports, and search for something. So I have my tspot.fbx in here, open. So it's gonna ask a lot of things, so import transform, where you want to put the pivot point to be, etc. So just in general, the setting is just some basic and default things. You can just click on import all. All right, so if you have a problem, you can see it in here. So just a warning, nothing to worry about. So I can drag and drop it, so it's really tiny. As you can see before, you can scale an object. If it's too tiny, you can press space, scale it up to see the object. Now you can see it. Right, so I'm gonna show you how to migrate a project. So to migrate a project, if you want just this character to be somewhere else, if you have, for example, a scene, just an example scene where you worked on your character movement and etc., and you want to merge it to another project, you just can go to character. If I click on it and press Control B, just gonna send me to it. So I can just right click on it, asset action, migrate. I'm gonna save. So when I'm migrating a project, I can see everything and every assets, every props, every blueprint file or every animation, skeletal mesh, material that my character, only this character is using. So as you can see it here, so the character is using this static mesh, the SK underscore mannequin, this material. So when I migrate the object, sorry, you can see it in here. So this is the material, and I can find here the static mesh. So it's only the static mesh that the props that this character is using that I want to migrate. So I click OK. So I'm gonna go, for example, in another project, projects, for example, Sky. I have to migrate absolutely on a content file. I can't do it in here. See, if I try to do it in here, it's gonna send me a warning that I have to migrate every object in a content file. So just press no, and I save it in contents, select folder, and up. Everything is okay. And to export something, you just can go and find a static mesh, for example. No skeletal mesh, static mesh. Right, I just have to right click on it, asset action, export, and it's gonna ask me which kind of file I want to export. If this is a FBX object file, copy to 3D, just can select. I'm gonna select FBX, go on my desktop, save. I'm gonna ask a bunch of options. I can select and deselect as you want. And click export. And now I have my ramp in here. If I double click on it, that's a ramp. Alright, so that's it for this example. I'm seeing you on the next video.